Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Aries Ascendant. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your fifth house, and right now Sun is starting from your second house in the sign of Taurus. Sun will stay into your second house till 15th of June. And after 15th of June, Sun will move to your third house in the sign of Gemini along with Jupiter. So, what is fifth house? Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your children, your mental abilities, your planning abilities. Right now, your fifth house lord is transiting from your second house. Second house is with your family, your speech, your food intake habits, your family, your both the houses are connected with your loved ones because family and your love, sincere love relationship are seen from fifth house. Your children are represented by fifth house. Your education related matter also seen from fifth house. So if you're in education life or you're about to you are right now focusing on your family matters or savings like money matters, then we can expect there will be a lot of focus till 15th of June regarding that matters because Mercury is as well transiting from your second house along with Sun. After 15th June, when Sun will move to your third house will be your courage, your efforts, your hand skills, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. So when Sun will move to your third house, we can expect you will put a lot of effort, whatever you are doing, like you're working, whatever work you are doing, and you will also have the courage to do hard work because Jupiter, as we talk in Jupiter transit video, just move from your second house to your third house. So Sun will illuminate the significance of your third house after 15th of May. Mercury controls your sixth house and your third house, and being your third and sixth house lord, Mercury starting from your second house in the sign of Taurus. In the month of May, Mercury will change two signs because around 6th June, Mercury will move from your second house to your third house, and around 23rd of June, Mercury will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Cancer. But major portion of this time period, Mercury will stay into your third house. So after 6th June, and Jupiter is as well transiting from your third house. Your third house lord will be in its third house. That's why we were saying in sun section you will put a lot of effort and you will also get the revenue of that effort. And most important thing is that you will passionately do effort. Like you will take interest whatever you are doing it because you will also getting the revenue transit because of transit of Jupiter into your third house. If you have younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, like you're younger in age, then they will flourish in their life due to presence of Jupiter into your third house. Also, sixth house is court case, litigation, argument, fight. Sixth house lord will starting from your third house till 23rd of June. You may face some argumentative things, some hurdles, some against people thing, but you will able to tackle this thing because Sun, Mercury, and Jupiter, these three planets will be transiting from your third house and to give you strength to withstand all the difficulties. Venus just moved from your 12th house to first house around in the beginning of this month and will stay in into your first house till the whole month. So Venus is traveling from your ascendant and controlling your seventh house and your second house. Second house being in a strong position as we discussed previously because second house Lord Venus is traveling from your first house, also controlling your seventh house. If you are married right now, because from seventh house we see your marriage, your spouse, your relationship, your commitment, how people sees you. So regarding all of that matter, we can expect great result. You will focusing a lot regarding your personality related matter, and you will get the great result regarding your personality related matter. People will also appreciate you if your work is somehow connected to public dealing, or you are some public figure. Second house lord being transiting from your first house, you will have great influx of money because as we discussed previously, till 15th June. Fifth house lord will also transiting from your second house, and second house lord is transiting from your first house, mean into your ascendant. So major focus will be your saving, your money matter, your family related matter, or your loved ones. So we can expect these results from Venus. Mars controls your first house and your eighth house, and Mars Mars will move from from its debilitated state from your fourth house to fifth house around 8th or 7th of June. So Mars will come out from its debilitated state. You were previously facing a lot of difficulties regarding your emotions related matter, regarding your family related matter, regarding your mother and your homies related matter. But after 7th June, when Mars will move from its debilitation state to the sign of Leo into your fifth house. So Ketu is as well transiting from your fifth house, as we discussed in Rahu Ketu transit video. You will forcefully do whatever you are doing if you are in education life, but try to lenient with your children if you have children in any love relationship. You may do any aggressive communication. Yeah, aggressive, you may have to face some aggressive circumstances because Mars and Ketu, both the planets are represent aggression. But you need to take care of your communication related matter, but you will be able to take care because your third house will be in a strong position, as we discussed in previously in Sun, Jupiter and Mercury section. So try to avoid conflict with your loved ones and children, and be lenient with your kids if you have kids right now, and be lenient with your love relationship. There are chances you may have to face some argumentative communication after 7th June 2024. So we can expect these results for all the Aries Ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Aries Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.